experiment. So, this is what you're gonna need. Warm water and colorful candies and a plate. Now let's begin. So first, we're gonna take all of these, put it in our hand.
Here.
Yeah.
And you're gonna line it up around.
Yes.
Or you can do any design you want, doesn't matter.
Yeah. You can do whatever design you want. Whoa, that's a lot. We're gonna line them up. This one. Now we're gonna add
Warm water inside.
all the colors have to come out like a rainbow.
Okay, and now we just wait.
Now we just wait until all of this comes out.
So hopefully,
The
if you can
orange.
see,
Oh, I can see the orange coming out. Look how cool that is.
all the colors are starting to come out. Look at the yellow.
Yeah, you look at these. The
Orange.
orange.
Oh, the orange ones are.
And the blue.
The blue ones are also.
Oh my God, blue.
Look at that. That's so cool.
Yeah, but the green is a little getting to it.
Look, the pink ones are also turning.
Mm-hmm.
Look how cool it looks.
Yeah. Looks cool.
If we had more colors, it would look like a rainbow, no?
Yeah. Oh, it's turning. Look. Like a lollipop.
Oh,
This
it
is
does
cool.
look like a lollipop, and it's doing a little squiggle and stuff.
Mhm.
This. So for this experiment, you're gonna need a tray, some sort of bottle. It can be thinner than this or just about this size. We just got one from a water bottle. You're gonna need white vinegar, food dye or color dye, baking soda, and some type of stir. Guys, let's begin.
Now my mom is gonna put the vinegar into the bottle. That's what she's doing. Parents have to do this part because children don't have to do this. Ooh, that's
I think that's good.
yeah. Okay.
Okay,
Next.
and then you can put the coloring dye.
Okay, I'll put
You can
that in.
do like 2 drops.
Okay, I'll do two drops.
Drop it in. 1 and 2. Good. Oh, that was 3. Okay,
We
now
can do
stir
3.
it.
Stir. Whoa, this is so cool.
Do you want it to be a little bit darker or that's
a little
good?
darker?
Okay, so
Okay.
now put 1 or 2 more drops.
1.
Oh, there you go. 2 drops. Now
drops.
stir it.
Ooh, that's really bad.
That one's cool. Okay, I
Yeah.
think that's we have our coloring dye inside our vinegar. Now together we're gonna put our baking soda. So make sure, guys, that you have your parents next to you when you're doing this project. Okay, let's go.
Oh my god! Oh my gosh, it works, guys! Look.
That's so cool. Do you see what happened? The vinegar and the baking soda had a reaction and caused for the foam to come out.
Yeah.
Isn't that so cool?
Yeah, like these experiments. Thanks for watching. Bye. Subscribe to my channel, like my videos.